What's up, y'all? So I decided to make this video because I've been using the scan tool in StockCharts, and it's been super helpful in helping me locate some stocks for trading and investing. And so today I wanted to show you all one of many different scans that I've come across or created in my own time using this feature. This one is a crossover scan, which is helpful in looking for signals of when to consider buying stocks. And so this one is actually the Golden Cross scan. You may have heard of it, the Golden Cross, before. But this one is the bullish version of that scan. So it's going to be looking for, it's looking for stocks that where the 50-day simple moving average has crossed above the 200. And then, that's really helpful when you're looking to see what stocks have been trading above, in the last few months have been trading better than they have for the whole year. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and click new scan. This is actually the dashboard. So that's where you want to start. And then you're going to click new scan. And then you're going to be taken to the technical scan workbench. This is essentially like your blueprint, like coding space to be able to type in the information that the system's going to need to be able to run your scan. So it always is going to start off on with this first line, and that's just to really kind of set you up for success. It's going to always start off with the input of I'm looking for what type I'm looking for. I'm looking for a stock, so it's only going to look for stocks, and it's kind of keeping it within range, looking for of those with a volume over 40,000 with this, and it's going to show the simple moving average of 20. So to edit it, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to press return, or if you're on a computer, it's going to be enter, and you're going to add on to it by typing and, opening up a bracket, and then looking for, since we're doing the Golden Cross, you're going to look for today's daily simple moving average. Can be shortened. Actually, we'll do 50. You could do 20, but we're looking for it over the 50, and then actually we're going to put today's daily simple moving average of 200. Right, and if you did everything right, there shouldn't be any errors or warnings on here on the side next to the 1 or the 2. And then you're going to go ahead and run the scan. And when you run the scan, you'll see there's 16 results. It's looking from the last market close. If the market was open, it would do an intraday scan, and it tells you what day, March 22nd, 2021. All right, so we're going to go ahead and let's click on first cash to see what that looks like. The red is the 200, the pink is the 50, and you'll see that it ends at 62.67. All right, so let's look at another one. Go ahead and go back. All right, and let's look at MYT, Urban Tea Inc., and you'll see the exact same thing. You'll see that the 50 just crossed above the 200 at 332. Obviously, this isn't going to be the only indicator that you're looking for. You're going to want to look at whatever indicators I have, the TSI, the MACD, RSI, for some indicators that help me. But you're going to want to look using your own. All right, here's another one. Let's look at SGDH. Right, so this one's a little bit more messy, but you can see here that at 0.037, you can filter it out so you don't get these, like, I don't even know if they're like even considered pennies. These are like micro stocks. So but yeah, here you go. This is exactly how you would go about trying to find a Golden Cross scan. Let me know what y'all think about this video. I can definitely make more. My whole goal is really to just share a tool that makes everyone's life easier. So if you like this video, definitely share with family and friends, but I'll leave it at here. So peace and love, y'all.